Me where I come from far, and not clap for me. Now wow. All right. Oga Timi, this thing, like you come wine now. Cause throughout your performance, your hand not come on here. At least here, you see how comedy hard reach. Now so you do throughout. Too. I see you now. I've been alive, my guys. Comedy very hard. Very. All right. I dey like me to introduce my style so that if I come, I don't just take time. They won't introduce myself again. But since they not do let me just do it so that you will look at me from that angle. You understand? Because comedy now goes into explanation now. And the way they contribute, so they explain what you want to do. Make them know. Praise the Lord. Actually, if you are here, many things just enter my head, so I don't really know where I want to even start from. But if you are here, you are the type where they bleach. Say you they bleach. I'm very straight now. I don't know how now they be for you because for worry they are bleaching. They use them over. You know when you they bleach, your first skin will be commode. Then if you keep on bleaching, the second layer self go come on. So that I get bleach, 7 skin layer come out. And you know, say, when you enter, me with the girl enter keke, at the middle, the girl the corner. So sun come direct, and the skin don't light that time. Sun come directly to your belly. They don't say the skin light, so the thing call penetrate, enter, our intestine call come outside. So, I call they shook the intestine back, they help her, they pack her, pack the intestine. So if you are bleaching, stop. It's not good. When would they come? When would they come here? Our driver called the announcement. Anybody not bring the head come outside though. See, the breeze where they blow, they carry people head come on. No driver they warn. Say, not bring your head, come outside. Me, I hear the warning. One get we put earpiece, you know they hear. So, not bring your head, come outside though. The guy go do, we say what? I just go, I know the answer. So, the guy can go bring his head, come outside. Breeze go carry her head. Before we reach, or me not even know say breeze go carry her head. So, before we reach, or now we call corner. The guy call they say where he head, though, where he head. So, I call. Comedy is wicked. Comedy is wicked. Now, the truth of the matter is, say, the industry is gone. All the areas. I don't know whether the comedians are here. If you don't talk with Alibaba, you don't talk with them. Me tell you, say, Alibaba don't talk one. They say, in go sit down, they hear comedians, they talk. It be like recycling of what them don't do. Now I say, you never come worry, you they talk of Lagos. Come worry, come see where would they use anything, both free joke or take the crack joke. So at least ain't go there today. You get time we want to like when you no go here. So when I see Kenny Black, don't call talk just now. He do music when I laugh. Akuru come here now, I go shout. If Bovi come here now, I go stand talk where very women they talk in an essay, they talk educational joke and all those ones. So me, I dey imagine I want a blow. So which parts me won't go now? Now I go say, go man, go the tell now what I no go understand. See, it's not that area. So that's so what I go talk today, when I not verse, na feel no understand. I surprised say I come here, I dey see una spiritual wife then they not stubborn. No. See una spiritual wife, they waka. I don't know say one church dey around this area. They do deliverance. So the man called the cast out spirit of they are una delay in marriage, you're not tall. Spirit of delay in marriage. Short spirit of If you, if you can't worry, if you see our spirit of delay marriage, they big way they do exercise because boys where they sleep with and they use any drug, tramadol and all those. So spiritual wives self they fear where. So now, men are listening. Una never understand anything, Abi. Yes, sir. Recently, we are to say wahala don enter this country. The house where they stay. Normally, if mosquito won't follow you enter your house, come suck your blood, they go study you, they will dey corner. Now, because the country don't have, they knock, they know. So at the house one, the mosquito call they knock, say they won't enter. So I call they tell them, say heat dey inside, make them know. Say they no feel. They say no, say they won't enter. Meanwhile, the house we divide am into three. Rat dey this side. Me and them middle, mosquito dey this side. So mosquito can't enter. So rat just newly born. No. Mosquito call pass by, go shock rat picking. Now, I just here for night. I call the here for night. Out. So rat call the pursue mosquito come up from my own house. I not send them from my house. Praise the Lord. Now they cut my solution. When allow me finish, I beg you now. They beg you. I won't explain this one. Then I'll. Because now they allow me explain. Let me like worry. Now worry now they just they look you till they talk. They look you. So now they disturb my flow now. You know when rain they fall, for worry rain now heavy flood do. Rain go carry another man keke couple for another man compound. So person will not say not get keke in the morning. Not we go say now rain cannot come. May return I go call the follow the person will get her, the dragon. So the rain now call guests and rain. If rain won't share keke, rain go fail you see don't give this house. Rain go. Bros, man, do this last one, man, go. Let me finish the rain issue, I beg. Me now, let me finish. Man, finish and then I'll go. I don't know, say Lagos for the pursue person come up for station. If not worrying, they say, hey, cover up for those people not funny. Just help. Cover up. So, as the rain called they fall like that, they fall. They carry many things. You can't carry fish come from river. So fish caught it. All these fish are not get sense. So they did town. Instead of that to even know say town water different from river. They call the run. You see the I'll call the tell if you may not go by water will so dry you. They not go the fish they not go hear word. They'll see day. So small time now, water call dry. They can't enter gutter. May not be like see what so they call the manage gutter water, the money. Small time gutter home. Call the dry. They call the climb our mango tree. So, thank you. Make our go.